If you're a creator looking for quality assets without breaking the bank, you might have heard of Envato Elements. But is it really the best subscription for creators? Let's dig into what it offers and see if it lives up to the hype. Envato Elements is a subscription service that provides access to a huge library of creative assets, including graphics, templates, stock videos, and music. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and intuitive, which is a plus for anyone who wants to dive straight into their projects without a steep learning curve. The core functionality is straightforward. You pay a monthly fee, and you can download as many assets as you need. This is particularly appealing for designers and content creators who frequently need high-quality materials. However, while the selection is vast, I noticed that some categories could use more depth. For example, the stock video section is impressive, but it might not have the niche footage some projects require. Another thing to consider is the licensing. Envato Elements offers a pretty flexible licensing model, but it's worth reading the fine print to ensure it fits your specific usage needs. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the sheer volume of assets available is a huge strength. If you're a frequent creator, having unlimited downloads can save you a lot of time and money. The quality of the assets is generally high, which is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance in your work. However, there are some downsides. Some users have pointed out that the search functionality can be a bit hit or miss, making it tricky to find exactly what you're after. Plus, if you're looking for very specific or niche items, you might find that Envato Elements falls short. And let's not ignore the subscription cost. While it can be worth it for heavy users, casual creators might find it a bit pricey. In conclusion, Envato Elements is a solid choice for dedicated creators who need a wide range of assets at their fingertips. However, if you're someone who only needs occasional graphics or videos, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you can take advantage of the unlimited downloads.